Hello class, let's take a look at this example 6. And they're going to be constructing a 99% confidence interval for the mean. You also don't have on this particular one the values of sigma given. So therefore, automatically, this is going to be a t interval. Now, let's do it the long way just so that you guys have another example, and we'll incorporate actual code to find the critical value. So the first portion that we're going to do here is the actual critical value. Now, the values of c is equal to 0.99, therefore alpha is equal to 0.01, and alpha divided by 2 is 0.005. And as we create the sketch of this one, you're basically looking at the following. So this portion is 0.99. Each of the tails actually have 0.05 area and 0.05 area. The degrees of freedom is equal to n-1. Which in this case, it's going to be 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. So let me show you how to actually find this value using the calculator. So for the actual calculator, you're going to go to second in distributions. You're going to activate number 4. The area to the left is 0.005. The degrees of freedom happens to be 6. And then if you evaluate this one, it's going to give you that the t value to the left, in this case, t1, it's approximately